Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the Minecraft edition and version on your phone so you download compatible packs. Once done, make sure your browser is allowed to install files or access downloads. This avoids permission errors mid-process. Next, navigate to the site and tap the specific tweak pack for your version, then download it to your device. You do this now because compatibility and permissions prevent later failures and save time during installation. Once the file is on your phone, open a file manager and locate the MacPack, Macadon, or zip you downloaded. Tap it and choose Open with or Share to Minecraft when prompted so the game imports automatically. Alternatively, move the file to Minecraft's Resource Packs or Behavior Packs folder via File Manager. After import, go to Settings or to the specific world and enable the pack. This ensures the tweak applies correctly when you load the world. You finish by restarting Minecraft to let the game register new resources. This prevents missing textures or script issues. If something breaks, disable other resource or behavior packs first and enable the vanilla tweaks pack alone to identify conflicts. If the pack fails to import or shows errors, clear the app cache, re-download the correct version from the site, and re-import. Doing these final steps avoids corrupted installs and gets your tweaks working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.